Hello everybody and welcome to Robotics by Omar. So of course that's the episode 2. It's about installing Arduino IDE and write your very first code. Of course we for that we'll use the serial manager. So of course in the last episode is the first. I told you what Arduino is and why we chose it to learn robotics. So if you don't watch it, I advise you to watch it. In the its link is on the description. So and now let's start our second episode from learning Arduino from zero to hero. So of course the roadmap of today is first installing Arduino IDE. That's the software we're gonna use to program our code. Then connect the Arduino board, write our first code, and test it with the serial monitor. What serial monitor is, we're gonna see that later when we will test it. So to install Arduino IDE, we have to follow these steps. Go to arduino.cc. That's the link. Yeah. Of course, you find it in the description. Click software, download, choose your program, either if it's Windows, MacOS, or Linux, and finally install and open IDE. So guys are going to do this and follow these steps. Of course, as I already told you, the link is on the description. There's the link as you can see here. So the first thing you're gonna do, uh, the first thing you're gonna do is you are going to. So of course that's the IDE. Of course, yeah, as you can see here. So I'm going to choose the version. So as I told you, I'm going to choose the version. My version is Windows 10 on your. Then you click on download like that. Yes. And the download will start. So guys, as you can see here after the downloads ends, so I'm going just to click on it. Then we are going to click on I agree, of course. Then next, install, next, of course. So we are just going to wait for the slide until it finished. So guys, as you can see here, after the download finished, we're going just to click on close. Then here is our Arduino IDE, the software we're gonna use to program our cards. So yeah, as you can see here, we will just open it here. Double click on it to open it, of course. And this is the main page of our Arduino IDE. So if you find some messages, you just have to click on I agree, I agree, I agree, yes, yes, next, 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 like that as you can see here. So just click yes, yes, I agree, and like that. So here, as you can see, so just click on these messages. So these messages are just for the first time. After this time, you're not gonna see them anytime. So the next step, guys, is connecting your board with the computers.
So guys, as you can see, that's the Arduino Uno card. So there is a lot of types. There's Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano. So for me, I'm using this Arduino Uno. Of course, it's not the original. The original is the price of the original is higher than this. This is the cheapest card you can buy. Of course, those are power pins. Those are analog, those are digitals. This is the resist button. This is of course the jack power supply, and this is the USB A of course ports. So of course we'll say that later in the next video. I'm gonna explain to you everything in this card. So to connect it with the computer, we need a cable like this. like this. As you can see, it's USB A to normal USB for computer. So you just connect it with the computer like that, and you connect the card like this, of course. So you're hearing a sound from your computer, and some red LEDs, or the, I don't know, man, some LEDs, it can be red or yellow or green. It depends on the type of your card. So for me, I have those red LEDs. So which means that the card is connected with the computer.
So guys, after connecting your Arduino cards, especially if there is not original, you may find some problems. For example, for these problems, the computer don't know your card Arduino. So for that, I'll give you this link of this file on the description. So you just have to download this file from Google Drive. So after downloading it, you just have to open it like that, as you can see here in on the computer. So after that, you have to extract them, to extract this folder, as you can see here, like I do. Yeah, extract it. So when you extract it, you'll find two folders. You enter to the CH341SER and click on setup and agree. A message will appear. You just tap on yes. So whenever you connect your card with the computer, especially if it's not original, you do that. So you click here on install. Yeah. Make sure the card is connected when the computer when you are doing this. So we are just going to now we are going back to the Arduino IDE. So here guys, after doing the step, so we are just come in here and select for and looking. You just have to look for the serial port and select the serial port will appear here. So for me, it's COM3. You just click on it. After clicking on it, you just choose it here and now COM3. And now this, to change this, and now you have to look for your Arduino card. So for me, it's Arduino Uno. So I'm gonna look for Arduino Uno and I'll tap on OK. So guys, after doing all these steps, so now you just have to write your very first code. So for that, I will use the serial monitor. So what serial monitor is? Serial monitor is like a screen where the messages that the Arduino card sends to the computer appear them, and from the serial monitor you can receive the messages coming from the card Arduino, and you can also send some commands and messages for the Arduino card. So this code here is like some instructions that the Arduino sees in its memory and do it step by step, line by line. So for example, here to begin the serial monitor to declare it, you just have to write serial that begin and the boot. The boot is the vitesse that the computer communicates informations with the Arduino card. So it's it's 9,600. It's the default. So the difference between void setup and void loop. In void setup, we just declare variables, and the code here in ounce. But the code in void loop is running repeatedly infinite. So serial that print to print messages that the Arduino print message on the same monitor. So serial that prints, don't forget the semicolons and the parentheses. So here, for example, I'm choosing hello coders. So now we just have to tap on verify to verify if there is a mistake in our code. So for me, there is a mistake. The mistake is I forget this mark. This mark, as you can see, I forget to do it. Whenever we finish a line, we have to do this mark. So as you can see here. So now I'm gonna verify again to be sure that there is not no mistake in my code. So as you can see here, so now I'm gonna just upload it. I'm gonna just upload the code as you can see here. So yeah, done uploading. So now let's see the result. The result we can see it from tapping on tool, then serial monitor. So as you can see here, yeah, as you can see here, that's the result of our work. Yes, as you can see here. So this is the result of our code. So like that, you write at your very first code. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and the like on my channel and if you have a problem or something that you don't understand, just write it on comments. And also, if guys, if someone of you wants me to be your mentor, check the description. So in the episode 3 we are doing our first electronics projects. So goodbye guys, don't forget step by step from zero to hero. Goodbye guys.